Alright, hello guys, it is TechMan330 and today I'm back with an iOS 10 top 5 features video. Alright, so if you do not have iOS 10 already, there's a lot of videos out on YouTube that you can look at how to get the developer beta. That is what I have on here, developer beta number 1. So number 1 on my top 5 iOS 10 features list is Siri. How you can say like, schedule me an Uber ride.
Sorry, you'll need to continue in the app.
So it's not working right now since Uber doesn't have the app set up for iOS 10 yet, but eventually you will be able to schedule rides and stuff for Uber as I'm showing in this video. But there's like a bunch of things that you'll be able to do since Siri is now open to developers, which is a really nice feature. Alright, number 2 on my list for top 5 features in iOS 10 is the ability to delete stock apps from Apple. So you can see you can't delete them all, but a lot of people, for example, don't have an Apple Watch, but in my case I do, sitting right here. So they would like to delete the Watch app. So you can now. It's a really nice feature that you can now delete apps that Apple have on your phone that you don't use that take up storage. Alright, so the next number on my list, which is number 3 for a new lock screen look with the notifications. So as you can see, I have a notification, just a text message from myself, and it has a bubble effect which looks really nice, and you can now see your lock screen. It used to be blurred out on iOS 9 and previous. You could not see your background, but since you can now see your background, I think that is really cool, and it just looks really cool with the bubble effect. It appears to be floating. So number 4 on my list is the widgets, which you can access here on the lock screen. Let's see here. Alright, so all you have to do is, in my case, I just put my finger on the fingerprint sensor for a short period of time, and then it brought me up to the widgets. Or you can just swipe over on the lock screen to the right, and it will bring you to this page. So this is pretty nice. It has the time in the top right corner. It looks really cool there. You can search for widgets using Siri or just your keypad with words. And you can have your widgets here, like whether I have activity from my Apple Watch, which must be a glitch right now, but it's showing no activity for today. But I already have all my goals reached on my Apple Watch, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Then I have batteries and my data and some other widgets. You can also access this. Alright, so you can access it from swiping right on the first page, and then you have the widgets there, which is the same as I just showed you, so that is very nice. And you can go down to the bottom and edit, and right now there's a glitch actually here. The widgets are cut off. Bring it a little closer. These widgets are cut off. You can't see the bottom half, so that's a glitch. Obviously there's going to be a lot of glitches. I'm actually pretty impressed. I have very few glitches on the first beta. So here you can add widgets, you can see here, and then you can rearrange the order, which is really nice. Alright, so the last feature on my top 5 list, this is number 5, is to replace words with emojis. So say I am sad. So here it comes up in the predictive text keyboard. You can just hit that there using that emoji, or you can say I'm sad, let's get pizza, and then if you don't want to click it on the predictive text keyboard, if you have a whole thing typed out, you can just click the emojis and it will highlight the words that you can emojify, as Apple calls it. So then you can just tap on the pizza and it will emojify for you, so you don't have to look through all the emojis to find a emoji that goes with your word. So that is a pretty nice addition, honestly. It will save a lot of time for those people that like to replace words with emojis, so they don't have to just endlessly scroll through all these emojis and try to find the one they're looking for. Alright, so that's going to do it for this iOS 10 top 5 features video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.